Basic terminology related to mutual fund. NAV, net asset value, the value of one share in a mutual fund, calculated by dividing the total assets of the fund minus its liabilities by the number of shares outstanding. Expense ratio, the annual fee that mutual funds charge to cover their operating expenses, expressed as a percentage of the fund's assets. Load, a sales charge or commission paid by the investor when buying or redeeming shares in a mutual fund. No-load fund, a mutual fund that does not charge a sales commission or load when buying or redeeming shares. Index fund, a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund that aims to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Active fund, a mutual fund that is managed by professional fund managers who try to beat the market by picking individual stocks or bonds. Passive fund, a mutual fund that seeks to replicate the performance of an index or benchmark.